Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we will do this problem of mensuration 2D. It says two circles touch each other at a point as shown in the figure, like this, each having the radius 2 cm. So these two circles have radius 2 cm. There is a square fitted snugly between the horizontal tangent line and the two touching circles. What is the area of the square? So we need to find the area of the square. So we need to find the side of the square. Let side of the square is A. So this side is A. Now the radius of the two circles given, it is 2 cm. So this is 2. Now this is also 2 because this is also radius. Now we draw this line. Now you see that this makes a square like this. This is a square. So let me show it. Let me show it in red. This red, it is a square. It is a square of 2 cm. Side is 2 cm. Now you observe one thing. We have to find this length and this length. Let me draw it clearly. This is our one circle. This is another circle. The picture may not be perfect. This is the tangent line and here is our square. The side of the square is A. This is the center of this circle. This is the radius, that is 2. This is also 2. Now I draw this line. This side is A. So what is this? This portion is A. Now what is this length? From center to this length. This length should be 2 minus A, because the whole, this is radius was 2, this portion is A, so this length will be 2 minus A. Now this is 90 degree, you can see. Now we have to find this length. So what is this? So let me draw this square. This is a square. This is a square, this yellow. Square of side 2 cm. Now this is 2. So this red line, this is also 2. Now we have to find where this triangle meets this length only. So what is this? This side is A by 2. So this upper portion is also A by 2. And now this red line is 2. So what? So this triangle, this base is 2 minus A by 2. So let me draw this triangle. In this triangle, this is 2. This is 2 minus A. And this base is 2 minus A by 2. This is a right angle triangle. Now we will apply Pythagoras here. So what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, A, B, C are these three sides. This is the right angle. So A square plus B square is equal to C square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. So apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So you will get 2 minus A square plus 2 minus A by 2 square is equal to 2 square. Now solve this for A. So you get, I will do this like that, 2 minus A by 2 whole square equal to 2 square minus 2 minus A whole square. So here you will get, now this is 2 square minus 2 into A by 2 plus A by 2 whole square. This is equal to 2 plus 2 minus A into 2 minus 2 plus A. So here you get 4 minus 2A plus A square by 4, that is equal to 4 minus A into A. So here you get 4 minus 2A plus A square by 4, is equal to 4a minus a square. So from here you get, so take all this in same side, 4 minus 2a plus a square by 4 minus 4a plus a square equal to 0. Now you multiply all the things by 4, so you get 16 minus 8a plus a square minus 16a plus 4a square equal to 0. So from here you get 5a square minus 24a plus 16 equal to 0. So now do the middle term break. 5a square, we have to, from there 16 into 5 is equal to 80. So you can write this as 20 into 4. So from here write 24 as 20a minus 4a plus 16 equal to 0. So from here 5a take common, then a minus 4 minus 4, a minus 4 equal to 0. Now from here write a minus 4 into 5a minus 4 equal to 0. So you get a equal to 4 or a equal to 4 by 5. Now a equal to 4 is not possible because this side is, this is 2 and this is smaller than that. So you see, the square cannot be have side 4. So the side of the square is 4 by 5. Therefore area of the square is equal to 4 by 5 whole square. That is equal to 16 by 25. This is the answer. Thanks for watching.